The state of Nebraska has shipped out nearly 95,000 coronavirus vaccinations to local health care facilities and pharmacies, yet less than 40,000 of those vaccinations have been administered to Nebraskans in the current Phase 1A. On Monday, Governor Ricketts addressed concerns and questions from media about why the number of vaccines that have been given is nearly 60,000 less than the actual amount of vaccines that have been distributed.
We got some of these vaccines right before the holidays. People have been gone. You know, the next 2 weeks are going to be very big. So I think people just need to be patient here. And as Angie was pointing out, when you're talking about healthcare workers or long-term care workers, you have to phase this in because you can't have your entire staff out because they all have a side effect.
Currently, Nebraska is about 1/3 of the way through Phase 1A of its vaccination plan and will remain in that phase for the next couple of weeks. The next phase will be Phase 1B, and the governor did say one of the priorities for Phase 1B will be to vaccinate Nebraskans who are 75 years of age or older.
There'll be a variety of ways that people will be able to get the vaccine and be able to sign up. So, for example, your healthcare provider can register you. I presume that if you're going to a federally qualified healthcare clinic, they'll be able to do that. The answer is yes. Angie's just nodding. So there'll be a variety of ways that if you don't have that internet access, you'll be able to work with your healthcare provider or one of the clinics to be able to get signed up.
Now, while getting the vaccination isn't being mandated in Nebraska, Governor Ricketts is continuing to encourage Nebraskans to do so.
The state is not going to mandate that anybody gets a vaccine. It is incredibly effective. Both Pfizer and Moderna are in the category of 95% effective. Some of the early data shows that you get a lot of that protection from the first dose, even before you get the second dose. So it is completely safe, as we've had folks come up here and talk about in the past.
And currently, Nebraska remains in the blue zone with 511 coronavirus-related hospitalizations. I'm Brandon Aksamit in Lincoln reporting, News Channel Nebraska.